बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि व कफ़ा व सलामुन अला इबादिही लज़ीना इस्तफ़ा अम्मा बाद। क़ाल अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फ़िल कलामिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद। बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इज्तनिबू कसीरम मिनज़-ज़न्न इन्ना बअज़-ज़न्न इस्म वला तजस्ससू वला यग़्तब बअदुकुम बअज़ा अयुहिब्बु अहदुकुम अन याकुला लहमा अख़ीहि मैतन फकरहतुमूहु वत्तक़ुल्लाह इन्नल्लाहा तव्वाबुर रहीम। क़ाल रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अना इंदा ज़न्नि अब्दी बी। सदक़ल्लाहु मौलानाल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुहुन नबियुल करीम व नहनु अला ज़ालिका मिनश शाहिदीन व शाकिरीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। My most respected brothers in Islam and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind in a state of shukr. Ya Allah, so much we should shukr of you. We have no word to do shukr. That you gave us Islam in the lap of the mother. Let's make dua. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with the last breath with Islam, with Iman. That's the real success anybody can have. Today I'm talking about a very, very important ayat of Quran from Surah Al-Hujurat, ayat number 12. Simple meaning of ayat Mubarakah. या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इज्तनिबू कसीरम मिनज़-ज़न्न। I'm talking about positive thinking, musbat सोच, and negative thinking, and manfi सोच. In this ayat mubarakah, Allah was warning us: be away from guessing negatively about somebody else. Be away. Don't do it. Be away from negative thinking about anybody else. Don't fall in doubts about somebody for nothing. Don't be suspicious about somebody for nothing. Do you know that? This kind of ill thinking, bad thinking, they are sin. Most of them. Most of our thinking bring us to the sins. Be watchful. Don't find fault in other people. Do not. Don't do it. And as a result of that, what will happen? You will start backbiting. He is so and so, she is so and so. Start backbiting. Very common nowadays. We are very careful about the eating haram food. So people haram, halal chicken to call, so many call. Where's the halal chicken Sophia? Yes or no? But over here, Quran says, when you backbite somebody else, this is like eating not haram chicken, but eating the dead meat of your brother. The meat of your dead body of the brother, you eating the meat of that. The Quran is not explanation, is not tafsir, is not hadith even. If anybody does backbiting, he is eating his brother's flesh who is dead. Astaghfirullah. May Allah save us. It is very common spiritual disease we have misuse of our tongue. Tongue is for zikr Allah, not these kind of lousy talk. So therefore, we should be careful, be aware from that. And if we get in the past history, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Inna Allah tawwabur rahim, if we make promise now, Ya Allah, we did in the past, we will not do again. Allah will forgive. He will forgive us, inshallah. Another item, Barka, in this context, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, in ja'akum fasiqun binaba'in fatabayyanu. If any person who is not righteous person, is idle talker person, not a very virtuous person, if he and he munafiq, he is a hypocrite kind of person. If he brings to you some news, don't believe it. Verify it. Verify it before accepting what he's telling you. Don't take as a granted. It's very careful. Hadith Pak is quoted before you. Allah SWT says, Ana inda zanne abdi bi. He says, this is quoted. I deal with my banda as he think about me. Therefore, we should have positive thinking about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also. We should have positive thinking about other people also. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will do the same way with us. There are two kinds of thinking. One is positive thinking, one is negative thinking. Of course, we think always something. The example of the positive thinking, example, I went somebody's house as a guest, and he brought half glass of milk. And if I am a negative thinker, I will tell, oh, only half glass of milk? You don't have full of glass? It's a negative thinking. If I say, oh, Alhamdulillah, Jazakallah khair, you brought me milk, Jazakallah khair, MashaAllah, it's enough for me. This is positive. On the Friday evening, you brought a branch of a rose flower. Right? There's some nice roses also, long branch of flower. If your wife is a positive thinker, what she will say? Oh, thank you very much. MashaAllah. She smells it. She's very good smell. She appreciates that. Right? If she's a negative thinker, but she say, oh, wait. There's thorn here. There's a lot of thorn. You see? This is called negative thinking. I give a clear example to understand. Like a teacher, it's a negative thinking. Oh, bhai, where there is a flower, there is a thorn also. The life is not a bed of roses. You understand? So, another example I give you. One king had a dream that his all teeth fell down. He went to a positive thinker. First he went to a negative thinker. He didn't know he was a negative thinker. He went to a just common person. He was not alam and scholar, not very wise. He was a common person among the ministers. He said, this is what happened. Though he did not know the tabi interpretation of the dream, he right away said, oh boy, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive you. If you drop our teeth in the dream, your whole family will die soon. No, the king was very upset. Then he went to a scholar. Right? Scholars, and he had knowledge of the dream interpretation. Then we should go to the right person for right job. He said, oh, mashallah, you will have longer life. Longer life. This is positive thinking. We have got enough example now about positive thinking. Therefore, we should always think positively. Some thinking is haram. For example, I find fault somebody, run after him, and find his fault, then pick up in the mind and talking to other people. This is haram. We should leave people alone. This is our business. And to think positively about Allah, all is mustahab. This is haram, this is mustahab. To think positively about all Muslims, all relatives, think positively all friends. This is a mustahab. We will get sawab on that. You understand? The same way, one thinking is wajib on us, is a must. Think positively about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a wajib on us. We must always think positively about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Understand? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Hadith al-Qudsi, I quoted, Ana inda zanni abdi, how my banda will think about me, I will do the same way, treat the same way. So we should think, Ya Allah, I am Muslim, thank you very much. Ya Allah, thank you very much. Shukr, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I am trying my best to do good deeds. Of course, I make sometimes sin, a son of Adam, but I please give me Jannatul Firdaus. Always think about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am making salah, I am doing my best. Insha'Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us Jannatul Firdaus. This kind of thinking we should have with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You understand? This is a wajib, zaruri, must. If we think negatively about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will be in trouble. I took exam of driving. Go with the positive thinking. Inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will pass me the test. So brother, advice to me and to you is this: we should always have positive thinking about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and about other people. Why do we do negative thinking? Good question. Why do we do it? There are certain reasons. Number one, maybe, if we are jealous of somebody. Jealousy is a very bad disease. It provokes us to do negative thinking that person. If we are arrogant, we have kibr. The disease of kibr is very dangerous. Shaitan has the same problem. If we are arrogant, disease of the kibr, as a kibr, we will always lower the other people by negative thinking and talking, and we will to prove I am higher than you. It's arrogant to lower the people in the eye of other people. Therefore, I should people think I am better. So this is a reason we can't start planning negatively about other people. Sometimes people have long sickness, and as a result of long sickness, we become a negative thinker. In that way, we should make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah, this disease came from you. Allah give me shifa. We should not, inshallah, when we get sick, we should have positive thinking. Inshallah, I'll be okay soon. It's very important. We should always look toward the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, the person has old car. He thinks always negatively. Oh, I have old car, this person has a new car, because of jealousy. We should not. We should think about those people who have no car at all. Oh, there was one person, he got accident. And as a result of accident, then his left part is half broken, and surgeon had to cut it, his foot. People went to see him. Brother, very bad, what happened to you, very sorry. They cut your foot. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive you, heal you soon. What he said? Oh, I am happy. What? Why you are happy? This is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My sins have been forgiven a lot. Number two, I will save money. How? Before I have to buy two shoes, no, one shoe has price. I'll save money on that. The way of thinking. So therefore, brother, lack of knowledge. We become negative thinker because of lack of knowledge of Deen. Lack of study of Quran, as I mentioned, or khutbah. If we read Quran with the meaning and translation, under the supervision of any alim, we read it. So we should have gone to this ayat Mubarakah, number 12, Surah Al-Hujurat. Understand? We should have done before. Because Surah Al-Hujurat take care of all social problems. Because lack of knowledge of Islam, lack of knowledge of Deen, we suffer this kind of spiritual disease, which is very bad, about negative thinking. And what happens? What danger if we have negative thinking? What loss we do? What we suffer? Number one, by negative thinking, we become jealous about other people. We become sad. We think about others should get damaged. We cannot sleep well as a result of negative thinker. Don't sleep well. मनफी सोच वाला सो नहीं सकता आराम से. He always think about other people negatively. As a result of that, when you think more, the result of more thinking, you will get anxiety. And more anxiety, we will get depression. Well, depression continues, we end up with what? Mental hospital. Where we start? From negative thinking. So we should always have positive thinking. If we have negative thinking about the wife, a wife has negative thinking about the husband, and the result will be the fight, and after fight, divorce will happen. Most of the divorces are lack of communication because of negative thinking. It's not true. Think over it. Most divorces, family problem, family fasad, family jhagda, they are because of negative thinking of husband and wife about each other. Example, my boss told me, stay overtime, emergency in the office. And I could not tell my wife, come late. It's not must for me to tell her. The next think of my wife, she's thinking, oh my God, he was supposed to be 6 o'clock here, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. She negative thinking. Shaitan put in the mind. He must be hanging with someone other girl. Soon he come home. He jumped, where were you? Where were you? Why you came late? With whom you were talking? You see, negative thinking. Husband called home. Telephone busy. He called again from the office. Telephone busy. No, Shaitan put what's in the mind? She is talking to somebody. Somebody. You know somebody? Somebody. No, Shaitan play. Soon husband come home. No salam dua. He say, hey, I talk all 3-4 times. To whom you are talking? Busy, telephone busy. To whom? If the wife is nice, she will tell, I was talking to my dad, he was sick. But if she is not good behavior, and then though she was talking to the father, she said, I was talking to my boyfriend, okay? What can you do? Job stop. Negative thinking. Create a lot of problems in the family. Always think positively about your wife. The wife should think always positively, much so about the husband. Let me tell you, because of this negative thinking, Shaitan play with us. Shaitan bring the waswas in our mind, bad waswasa. Because Quran said this. और औद प्रभि नास मलिक नास इलाही नास मिन शर्रिल वसवासिल खन्नास अल्लाज़ी युवस्विसु फी सुदूरिन नास मिनल जिन्नति वन नास. Most of the men, Shaitan put negative thinking, waswasa in our mind. Be careful. You understand? हम think not because of our own fault. Shaitan's job is this also. And some men are also Shaitan. Some our friends may be our Shaitan. They bring bad news to us, bring bad thinking to us. Now what should we do now? How do we take care of this disease? Negative thinking, how should we take care of this disease? Number one, we should always try to have positive thinking about anything. Hoping in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Quran says very clearly, La taqnatu min rahmatillah. Understand? We should have always positive thinking. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bless me, send me rahmat, and inshallah He will give my job done. Help me in my job. Inshallah He will forgive my sins and bless me with Jannatul Firdaus. We should always look towards the in'amat of Allah, reward of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, ni'mat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Look, if one day we were sick, not bad deal, 364 days I was healthy. Yes or no? Why should I do shukr on that, right? So we should have the quality of shukr. If more we do shukr, more we will be free from this bad disease, spiritual negative thinking. Shakar person, he's lucky. If you do shukr on any name, Allah will bless us more and more. We should do shukr on that. And second, life is not a bed of roses. Where there is a thorn, there is a flower. Where there is a flower, there is a thorn. Only happiness, life without thorn, is Jannatul Firdaus, inshallah. You know, a bee, honeybee always go sit on the flower and bring the nectar. And honey is shifa for us. And on the other hand, other dirty fly does not go to flower, always go to dirt. Yes or no? So what should be? What should we be? Honey bee or other bad fly, dirty fly? Honey bee, right? We should be honey bee. That only possible to become honey bee if we think good about others. Look what is the good quality of the brother. Yes or no? Good quality of the wife. Ignore. Love will increase. You will have a happy, pleasant life. If there are 99 negative ideas about somebody, and one idea is good, take care of one idea. He is a good person. If you see 99 bad habits in a person, you see one good habit, consider good habit. Understand? Therefore, there is a masala. In fact, there is a masala. If anybody has such kind of habits, which like a kufr, but there is one habit he has which gives the signal of iman. We cannot tell him kafir, we can tell he is a mu'min. You understand? This is a positive thinking about other people. And therefore, if shaitan brings us the waswasa of negative thinking, what should we do? Ignore it. Don't follow. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Rabbi inni a'udhu bika min hamazati shayateen. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim is a big stick to shaitan. It runs away. Because most of the bad thinking comes to us because of shaitan. Let's go to our Akabari. How they have this beautiful quality of positive thinking. We should make dua. First we should make dua, all Ya Allah, bless me with the positive thinking. When negative comes, say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Listen, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Fakhr Mawjudat, when he comes to Mecca, we know what they did to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You know, the Meccan was expecting bloodshed. What Prophet thought? Our Prophet was a positive thinker. All Anbiya, Mashayikh, Asl Ulama are positive thinkers. So Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was positive thinker. He forgave everybody. Allahu Akbar. If he is a negative thinker, he should have sorted them out. Because of that positive thinking, Mecca became Muslim. In the Taif, what people did in the Taif to Prophet? They threw a stone. Blood came to the foot, even. Jibreel alayhi salam came. Command me. I bring two mountains together and crush them. Prophet said no. I am Rahmate Alam. They don't know me. Ya Allah, I am weak. These people don't know me. Prophet did not make dua against them. Prophet had positive thinking. As a result of that, Taif people became Muslim. From the time Muhammad bin Qasim to came to Sindh in the Pakistan, India, and because of him we became Muslim. Yes. Hazrat Jana Rahmatullah alayh, great Sheikh. He was Shahzada of Mughal Empire. His wife was too much. Give hard time to him. He has Khadim Khan Sahib. So Khasim said, Hazrat, she is too much. She talks against you, she bothered me also, please, divorce her. I gave her my young daughter. Get rid of her. She don't respect me. But Hazrat Jana Rahmatullah alayh, Wali Allah what he said. Khan Sahib, I don't want, if I divorce her, she marries somebody, the Muslim brother, she will bother me. Number two, because of his bad behavior, I do suffer. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed me with the life, with his friendship. I worry Allah because of I am close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because of sabr on. Therefore, brother, if our wife is so, we should do sabr on that. We will get sin forgiven also. Yahya ibn Aqsam had million hafiz or million hadith. Yahya ibn Aqsam. His wife was, mashallah, moon, very, very pretty. And Aqsam radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Yahya, he was so, understand? So. But he picked him up because he was hafiz hadith. He valued the marrying our daughter, we should value, pick up the good person, good behaved person. Ikhlaq. So one day both are sitting, so his wife said, Aqsam, Yahya Aqsam, my sweet husband, we will be inshallah go to Jannat al-Firdaus. We are both Jannati. He said, how come? She said, when I look at you, Yahya, when I look at you, I feel suffer. God, you are so. And look at that. Now Yahya said, honey, when I look at you, I do shukr. The result of shukr is Jannat. The result of sabr is also Jannat. A shukr of nisbul iman, a sabr of nisbul iman, iman complete, we get Jannah. Subhanallah. Allah Ta'ala bless us with positive thinking. हम उस पर सोचें. We should never think negatively about anybody else. Let's do tawbah. In the past history, we did something, negative thinking. We seek forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambin wa tubu alayh. And please follow this advice. Inshallah, our home life, family life become more happier. You will enjoy more. Be very, very positive to your customer. Think positively. Be very, very positive to your boss, positive to your family, positive to the parents, and especially positive to your wife. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. جزاك الله خير. شكرا. الله أكبر الله